In Miro's innovation workspace, teams collaborate, brainstorm, and ideate. But turning those ideas into reality requires some structure and organization. With tables, teams can effortlessly organize ideas into streamlined plans and track real-time progress so they can move from initial idea to final outcome, all in one unified workspace. Watch as we add a table to the canvas to smoothly transition from a brainstorming activity into a prioritized backlog by simply dragging and dropping the sticky notes into the table. We then use the various data types to set a priority level and add start and end dates. Let's also add a column and select person data type so we can assign owners to each row. Tables can integrate with Jira or Azure, so we can pull in existing tasks and transform visibility across all work streams, regardless of access to specialized tools or task trackers. Now, there are many ways we can organize the records in the table. We can filter, sort, and group by field. And when we want to determine how to sequence this work over the course of a quarter, for example, we can switch to the timeline view and toggle between full screen timeline or table to cut out distraction and return to the canvas when we need more context. To highlight a specific task or display the work in a different way, like on a Kanban board, we can drag a record out of the table as a Miro card. When we're ready to share, we can copy and paste this table into a stakeholder presentation and select the Synced option so it stays up to date in real time. With tables, we transform ideas into outcomes with seamless team alignment and progress tracking.